You're wasting hours every week doing tasks AI can handle in minutes. In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that can skyrocket your productivity and save you hours every single week. Welcome to Smart Tech Lab, where we simplify AI, productivity, and cybersecurity so you can work smarter, safer, and faster. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, Notion AI. This AI-powered workspace helps you write, summarize, and organize information instantly. Use it to draft reports, take smart notes, or even generate content ideas, all within seconds. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. It's your all-purpose assistant. From writing emails to coding to brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT can help you work 5x faster. The key is asking the right prompts. That's where the magic happens. Tool number 3, Descript. If you create videos or podcasts, Descript lets you edit by simply editing the text. No complicated software needed. You can cut, fix, and polish your audio or video like editing a Word document. Tool number 4, ClickUp AI. ClickUp AI helps you manage projects, write tasks, and summarize updates automatically. It's like having a smart project manager who never sleeps. Tool number 5, Otter.ai. This tool takes automatic meeting notes and creates searchable summaries for you. Whether it's a Zoom call or an interview, Otter saves you the time you'd normally spend writing everything down. So, there you have it. 5 AI tools that can save you hours every week. Notion AI, ChatGPT, Descript, ClickUp AI, and Otter.ai. Start using them today, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more simple tech tools, productivity hacks, and cybersecurity tips. Only here on Smart Tech Lab, because mastering tech should always be simple.